Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if LTE not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just go to the settings. First thing, just open mobile data or cellular data and just go to the cellular data or mobile data options here, and here you need to choose voice and data. So just check if you choose here LTE, so just choose it, and after just go back. If you still have, just check if you turn on here in cellular data and just try to use internet again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the general here, just scroll down to reset, just tap on reset and just submit, just choose reset network settings and just submit resetting network settings. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your iPhone. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to make force restart on your phone. So just tap on high volume button, then on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So it means that you successfully made force restart, and just keep holding power button for some seconds and just release your finger from power button. So now we need to say Apple logo. It means that we successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.